kitchen, bringing that to you. So, I decided to make tortillas. Let's see. Well, today's, I'm pretty sure Friday, so Thursday. So, yeah, and I mean, what kind of person am I if I could just go get tortillas at a store and I want to make them? Probably think I'm trying to live the life of a strife, right? Well, but I'm not. If the coronavirus wasn't going on, I'd literally just go to the tortilla store and get my tortillas. Not that hard. Anyways, so when I was gonna make them, the original recipe required 4 cups of flour, 2 hot cups of water, a bowl to put all the stuff in, 1 tablespoon, and then 2 teaspoons of salt. So, just in case you didn't remember why I showed this salt, well, it's because my photographer or videographer, whatever it's called, delayed it a little bit. Doesn't matter. At least you got to see it. So this was the salt. Anyways, so, but I didn't want to make all of that because I wasn't sure I was gonna make it right. So what I did was I used division, a new mathematical function I am bringing to you today. I want half of this tortilla right here, but there's only 1. So I need to use decimals in order to give me a piece. And not be fair and be like this. Okay, Aiden, this is how much you get and I get the rest of the tortilla. That's not fair. It's selfish. And you and me should be none of that. Well, I already am not. But just in case you aren't, you should stop. Alright, so yeah, let's do it. My tortilla. Spanish accent people. Tortillas. Aiden's tortilla, if you know who that person is. He's not, he's my little brother. He's in one of my videos, but you have to go on a quest to see him. So now let's pour the stuff in. Alright, so we're gonna divide this. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Oh my gosh. Did you see what it looks like? A flower bomb. Okay, so now we add our hot water. And we pour it all until it gets to 1 cup. So it's 2 divided by 2 because anything divided by itself is what is it called? Is 1. That's fun. Right halfway down. Almost at 1 cup. That's probably 1 cup. No, not just 1 cup. It's perfect. Now we divide this so it will equal to 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just do this. Ooh, that looks cool. Whoa, it's like ants crawling up the salt, and then making it turn red, even though it's already red. We are gonna divide this by 2. Why? Well, because we are like dividing every single thing put in the tortillas. So, yes, that's how we do it. All right, now let's put, instead of 1 tablespoon, 1/2 tablespoon, and let's mix it. But before I do, I'm gonna throw some flour on my face. But this is just between you and me. So don't tell anyone else. Peace.